Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor, and in this class we'll be painting some loose coastal landscapes and learning my fun and easy two-step process and wet and wet watercolour techniques along the way. Painting loosely is a fun and liberating way to approach your watercolours. It allows you to freely express yourself and portray your landscape in a unique way. In this class, I'm going to show you how to paint a scene of London, Dubrovnik, Croatia, Istanbul, coastal France, and Venice. By the end of this class, you have the skills and confidence to be able to paint loose architectural landscapes, water, boats, and figures from a reference photo. And of course, you'll have some beautiful paintings to show off to your friends and family. We'll be covering some of these topics: how to draw and compose your painting. These lessons are placed at the beginning of each demonstration to show you how I sketch in basic details. I'll also show you how to place the horizon line, how to quickly and accurately sketch in any reference photo. I'll also talk about how I use my sketch to plan out all the steps of my watercolor painting afterwards. I'll also discuss how to paint skies, water, boats, buildings, and figures in a soft and loose manner using a combination of wet and wet and wet and dry techniques. I'll talk about how and when to wet your watercolor paper to obtain particular results, such as the appearance of soft clouds, and when to paint in more rigid and accurate shapes once the paper is dried. Finally, I'll discuss the importance of timing in watercolors and when to use different brushes. I'm excited to get started, so join me in this class and let's have some fun painting.